case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A 19th century case involving famous piano makers, Steinway Sons, was subject of a significant ruling in the New York Supreme Court. The case originated from accusations by a stockholder who also happened to be an employee of the corporation. The plaintiff leveled charges of wasteful spending and unapproved activities against the trustees of the company. The core of the disagreement was the trustees' management of the company's real estate holdings. Additionally, the plaintiff took issue with the trustees' expenditures on intellectual, physical, and spiritual fruits for their employees, deeming them irrelevant to the company's business. They argued that these actions strayed from the corporation's charter and thus were not lawful. Yet the court surprisingly endorsed the defendants' surprising actions. It ruled that providing for employees' well-being was not ultra vires, or beyond their power as defined by the company's charter. In fact, it asserted these actions fell squarely in line with the incidental powers of the corporation. The judges rejected the plaintiff's appeals to dispose of a large portion of the corporation's land holdings, stating that the defendant's expenditures related to the property were justifiable and increased its saleability. It further concluded that it was unnecessary to rule on the legality of trustees acquiring land not needed for corporate purposes. The stockholder in question had historically failed to formally object to the trustees' actions, inadvertently signaling his approval. This lack of early dissent was seen as implicit approval by his fellow stockholders and trustees. The lawsuit marked a turning point related to corporate responsibilities and rights. The court concluded the defendants had rightfully used legitimate means to compete with rival companies. The court insisted that spending on promotional activities and goodwill from renowned musicians was needed to augment the sale of Steinway pianos. As a result, the plaintiff's accusations were dismissed on their merits, and he was ordered to pay the legal costs. This critical case now serves as a touchstone for understanding the incidental powers of a corporation.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.